Hello, my name is Ryan. I'm the EdTech Explorer. So what I'm going to show you here is how to create up a sign-up genus for 10 to 20 teachers, approximately 400 students. And you're going to be using tabbing in sign-up genus. And as you can see from at the top, I've used a different tab for every teacher's name. I'm also going to show you how to create a parent-teacher newsletter with bit.ly links and QR codes for the parents. For the pricing here, you do have to pay a monthly subscription, but you're only going to pay for it for 1 month for the duration of the actual interview. So it works out to about $10. So you're going to create two signups initially. One's going to be 15-minute interview time slots. So I'm just going to give it a name, Wesley Public School. And the title of the signup is going to be my first teacher's name, which will be Smith, I believe, kindergarten. And then I'm just going to paste in my description down below, which will appear at the top of every web page on every tab. And you can just custom create this for your school. Next, you're going to pick a theme. And now you're going to either choose time slots or custom. For this one, I'm going to pick custom. And then I'm going to enter in my time intervals for both my dates, 29th to the 30th, 15-minute interviews. Want to make sure that they're all correct before you publish it live and have parents signing up for interviews. It'll save you some time and frustrations later on. Now, in the time slots, your title of the slot, you're just going to add the teacher's name, which is Smith, and you could also add that she teaches kindergarten. In the number wanted, she's doing parent-teacher conferences, so there's only one interview occurring at a time. So I'm just going to paste in my help comment here so parents know that it's a parent-teacher conference as opposed to a student-led conference. And paste that in the help comment, and then go to selected dates and make sure that all the times there are correct. And I'm going to give her a lunch break or dinner break when she's asked for it. And I'm just going to update it. Next are the settings that I'm going to take you to. Here you want to make sure you select a custom question, what the child's name is. That forces the parents to enter in the child's name so that you can see it later. Click on the cog wheel to hide all names from all parents. Only administrators will be able to see the parent names and the student names. You also want to make sure that this one up here is unclicked, or else you're going to receive an email every single time somebody signs up. I set this to a 2-day reminder, and you can remove ads for up to 3 signups, so that will be 3 teachers. You want to make sure that people can't swap slots with each other. So this is what the draft version looks like, what it'll appear on the website. You can see my teacher's information's in there. The time slots are available for both Thursday and Friday. And next page here, this is where we're going to make it live, but for now we're just going to save it as a draft. We may want to make some changes later on. Now you can do the exact same thing, but this time you're going to make a sign up for 30-minute time slots, and you're going to give it a different teacher's name. So you're going to go through the same process of entering in all your information, put your dates and times. You're going to do 30-minute time intervals instead of 15. And you're going to enter in the teacher's name here. What you're going to do is you're going to send out an email out to teachers to ask them to duplicate the sign up that they prefer, and then you can edit all of them afterwards. So this is an email that I'm going to send out to staff. I'm going to give them access to my admin username and password so that they can create or duplicate the signups that they prefer, either student-led or parent-teacher conferences. And once they've done that, then I'm going to go in and I'm going to make them live and make any changes necessary and tab them together for parents and for it to go live on parent-teacher conference night. Now my teachers have all gone in, they've duplicated every single sign up for their own classroom, and they've changed the name for them. You notice that they're not published yet, so I'm going to go and do that and make them live. So I'm going to go here and invite publish. Now you have the option here to upload parent emails and send it out that way, or you can just take it live this way and copy the link, which you can then paste into a newsletter that you can send home in an email or send home with whatever app that you might be using. I'm just going to paste it into here. Now the link is pretty complicated if you're trying to enter it in manually into a web browser, but I'm going to show you later on how to actually make it into a bit.ly, which is easier for you to do it. So all my signups are now live, and making sure that my newsletter is all completed down here. Okay, all the signups are there. So next what I'm going to show you is how to tab all the signups together so that when a parent visits one, they can click on another tab and go to another teacher's class if they have to sign up more than one of their children. So here you're just going to create a tab group. I'm going to call it Wesley Public School. I'm going to create a new tab group. And then I'm going to add all my signups to that tab group. Don't worry about the order. You can always rearrange the order afterwards. Now I'm going to show you how to change all these links into bit.ly links. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. And you go to your web browser. You can just go to bit.ly.com. You're going to paste in your sign up into here, and I'll change it to a bit.ly, which is a lot easier for parents to type into a web browser if they need to. I'm just going to paste it back in my Word document that I can send home to parents through email or through Messenger. And I'm going to do that for every single sign up here. Here I'm actually going to create a QR code, so I'm just going to paste in the bit.ly, and now this one allows me to do bit.lys, this website. I'm going to wait for the QR code to change. I'm going to hit no thanks here because I don't want to sign up for anything. And what I'm going to do is copy and paste the QR code back into my Word document. Now you need to make sure that you resize it in here, but make sure it's not too small because you want your mobile device's camera to be able to pick it up. It's a good idea to test that, and I'll show you how to do that afterwards. So now I'm just going to test my links to make sure that they take me to where I need to go. Nothing worse than sending home a letter where the links don't work. So there it is. It's taken me to my live sign up. You can see all the tabs at the top. Now I'm testing my QR code with my mobile device. It's not going to read the bit.ly, but it will read the QR code. And so take me to my mobile website, which is different than the one that would appear on a computer. I'm going to hit the drop down menu to switch to my class that I need to. And then if you scroll down, you'll see all the times. I'm just going to take you through the process of how to sign up on a computer, and then I'll take you through how to sign up on a mobile device. It's a little bit different. So you're going to click on the time slot you want, and you're going to enter in the information, make sure quantity is set to 1, parent's first and last name, and their email address so that they receive a notification. And what is the name of your child, also important so that we can identify and make sure that the child is actually in the right class for interviews. Now, you can see that one of 4 slots is filled. I'm not signed in as an administrator. You can see the tabs at the top. I'm going to switch the grades and the classroom teacher and sign up for a different time slot for my other children. Again, I'm going to enter in the same information. So I'll actually receive 2 emails from sign up as to when I've signed up for interviews for my children. In that email, I can actually make changes if I need to, or you can just contact the school to make the changes for you. Now I see that red bar at the top. That means I'm signed in as an administrator, and you can see that the parent's name is there. If you're not signed in as an administrator, you can't actually see the parent's name. I'm going to take you into the print version and select the custom question in a second. This will allow you to actually see the child's name to confirm. You can see that the child's name is not there, so you got to select custom question. You can actually see that the child's name is there now, so you can confirm that that child is actually in Johnson's class. I'm just going to take you to the mobile version of this. It's a little bit different than the web-based version. So at the top there, you want to make sure that the class is selected right. You can click on the drop down here and then select the correct class. Scroll down to find the time slot that you wish, select it, and then hit submit and sign up, and then enter in the information. Make sure the quantity again is set to 1, enter in the information that you need, and that's it. Again, if you have any questions, just post a comment below this video. If you're looking for a sign up that contains 20 to 30 teachers and approximately 700 students, I've also created a video for that. If you did like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.